Hey guys, it's your boy Overclocked. Today we're gonna be doing on this episode of Ghetto Cooking, Lay's potato chips or potato chips. Very nice. So let's get right into the recipe. So guys, we obviously have the top of the line, definitely organic, totally organic, guys, totally organic potatoes. The first we're gonna grab our uh. That's okay. Uh, Hell yeah! Alright guys, so instead of like cutting the actual potato chips out of the potato, what we're gonna set in our knife here. What we're gonna do is this super secret technique that you guys should use too when you guys are making potato chips, guys. I'll show you that trick right now.
Nobody can touch my swag. Nobody can do with my swag. Nobody can touch my swag. Nobody can touch my swag. Nobody can do with my swag. Nobody can touch my swag.
Alright guys, so now that we have got our potato pieces here, we're now gonna have to pick all these up. So I'm gonna go get like a bowl or some shit and pick this up. Very nice, guys. Alright guys, so we have our potatoes here. Very nice, guys. Very clean. Very clean potatoes, as you could tell, guys. But now we're obviously going to have to cook the potatoes, because you can't have the potato chips without cooking it, right? That's fucking retarded. What are you, gay, Lamar? So where the fuck is our oven pan thing? Alright guys, so as you could tell, we need this kind of a pan, you know? Is this a pan? So you're gonna put your individual potato pieces inside of the holes. Very nice. Very nice, guys. Alright guys, so now that we've put all the potatoes in the whole pan, yep. We put them in the oven, guy. Okay, oh, there was one in there the entire time. Uh-oh. Alright, it's okay. Okay. Alright guys, so now we're gonna put this, on, you can't go past that pussy ass fucking oven. Okay, so we're gonna go to 500 degrees. Yeah. Very nice, guys. Oh shit. Guys, look. It seems our stuff is done. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god, guys. Look at the potato chips we just made, guys. Wow, that's. Oh shit. Okay, that's incredible, guys. Whoa, guys. Okay. So now all we gotta do now is taste test our crazy potato chips, guys. Alright, guys. So we have made our potato chips. Time to taste test. Time to taste test them, guys. Oh. Hey, that's pretty good.